2020 Dodge Charger Police model, core engine running good. It just has a misfire on cylinder 1. You can see it's shaking a little bit, but the only problem on this one is a misfire on cylinder 1. It sounds pretty good. The stock number LP323. So this is going to be a 4 engine. Let me show you the miles, and I'll show you the diagnostic report as well. So the mileage on this is 110 to 29, and as you can see, the only codes on there is P0301, cylinder 1 misfire, and there's a few other codes that are unrelated to the engine, and everything else is green on the report. The car has been running for about 30 minutes already. It's not heating up. So like I said, the only main issue is misfire on the engine, cylinder 1.